Even though both the clone tools get selected simultaneously in 2D and 3D viewport, they behave differently in 2D and 3D. In 2D, to get the clone working, you have to head to the Advanced tab and choose your base color or the image you would like to clone. After you choose this image, you will see nothing happening, but the image is overlaid on top of your image. And you can press right click to move it around, and you can click on advanced again and increase or decrease the alpha. After moving it, if you start painting, it will start behaving like clone tool. This is more limited comparing to the 3D environment, because you will have to manually move this around instead of just selecting a location. In the 3D report, you have to hold control and choose a location. You can see the cursor is here right now. After I click it, I'm holding control and left clicking here. So this marks the pivot point. The clone will start from here. If I paint upwards, the color above this point will be painted there. If I go downwards, the color below will be painted here. You can press control and switch points whenever you want.